Hello, friends. First of all, I'm very sorry for that technical goof up. I don't know how it happened, but then I realized that the video doesn't have the voice. So anyway, so let us start with the title today, which says, "How does the universe warns you?" See, I always told you, universe is not into the linear time. It doesn't have any language. The only way universe can connect with you is through messages, through signs, and these signs can be termed into two: uh, the positive sign or negative. So let us understand, and let me apologize that this video could be a little long because there's too much of information to share with you. See, much of the guidance from the universe comes through experiences itself, whether it is good or whether it is bad. So warning signs from the universe may come in form of some unwanted experiences as well. Or it could be an event at your place, event with you in your life, in your career, in your relationship, but the universe is trying to tell you something, and we have to be wise enough to take those messages. Unwanted experiences. So the experiences that brings bitter taste to your mouth is what I call as unwanted experiences. May either bring guidance, and it's trying to tell you that you are on a very low frequency. Now, when you are at a low frequency means what? Your thought pattern, your actions are not taking you anywhere. Sometimes you are only cribbing, crying, complaining, and that is how you take your energy level down, and much down. And university in that at that point of time will try to guide you, will tell you that you have to give up this and let it go. The universe does offer guidance through positive experiences also. Like, for example, all of a sudden you feel that everything that is happening is happening according to you. Okay, and it's like it's too good to be so true. Like everything is falling in place, which means the universe is saying at this particular time you are taking the right path, so we are with you. So it will give you a push, and you'll go ahead, and everything that you do, and you have the Midas touch in you. Everything that you want is coming true. So this is the way of the universe telling you that okay, you are at the right path, so we are with you. But if it stops you, that means universe is trying to tell you, now at this particular time you are not on the right path, so it will deviate you, divert you. Now, what are the positive when the universe takes the positive or gives you positive signals is flow of joy, love, positivity, meeting the right people, getting aligned with the right people. These are the very encouraging and very excellent sign for you. In other words, I can say these positive experiences are sign that you are on the right track. And the challenges and unwanted experiences bring the guidance and warning to reevaluate yourself. So positive energy is encouraging you. Negative is trying to tell you to reevaluate the situation and take charge of your emotions, your belief system, and realign yourself. And if you realign, you will create your own experience. When you are very clear about what you want, and when you focus your thought, your emotions, and your beliefs and actions towards creating a desire or intent, the universe will conspire to make it a reality. So it's a dream that will come true. Now, you may say that, Ricky, you are trying to contradict your own statement by saying, once in my video I did tell you that if you keep a focus on something, the things will start differing or it will get delayed. This is not the focus I'm talking about. I'm talking about you have a intent, and on that intent, if you're working and you're going in the right direction, then the universe will make all the ingredients, all that is required for that to manifest will be created for you. Got it? The universe will also offer you guidance to keep you moving in the right direction by issuing some warnings. If the warning will come only if you are going astray or you're going deviating your path, then it will try to bring you back on track. If you're getting some warning signs, please do not freak out or start complaining. As long as you pay attention, notice the sign, strive to change the perspective and the course of action too, it will definitely manifest for you. It will happen for you. Any warning or sign from the universe can quickly be shifted and you can get back on track, making your dreams and intention a reality. So if a universe is giving you a sign and you understand, okay, this is a sign, and you make a shift immediately. For this, you have to be wise enough that, okay, this is a sign, I am getting it, and now I have to shift. Again, the guidance from the universe comes through personal experience as well. So I'm giving you a list. Now the list is here, kept over here. I will be referring to that list also. The warning signs may be alerting you to fact out your thoughts, realign yourself, and make a choice what you want to create, and that the choices you are making are leading you to the right direction. And if your choices are wrong, universe doesn't agree with your choices or your choice, you're making a leading towards a wrong direction, then you have to pay attention. So let us see what are the warning signs. Suppose there is a thought running in your mind and all of a sudden your elbow or something bangs or bumps into something and you are like, ouch. Okay, that particular thought that is running in your mind is not the right thought, and the universe is saying, shift your paradigm, shift your thought, not on the right track. If you're getting stuck into a traffic or a jam, or you miss a bus or a train or a plane, it's again a signal, a sign, a message from the universe that this particular act of yours, we are stopping you because we don't feel that you are on the right track. If you encounter someone who is very rude, suppose you are in a queue or you are at a theater or in a mall or and you bump into a person who's very irritable, rude and short-tempered, that particular moment, that person has been sent to you to bump into you because universe wants to tell you that this negative experience we are giving you because you are not on the right path. Otherwise, you would have a very free flow. Feeling of uneasiness or a bad feeling, or I can say a gut feeling that something is wrong somewhere. One fine day you get up in the morning and you say, okay, something is, my day started very bad. Or you get into a silly argument with someone. You feel sick. You are just feeling off. Too much of mood swings today. I think whatever you are doing, you should just put it down and defer it, postpone it for the next day. Losing or breaking a possession, if you lose something, if something get lost, maybe that's also a sign that this is a very small loss that we have created for you. For the bigger one, we have tried to avoid it. For example, if you have gone to a temple and you have removed your shoes, and when you find that the shoes is missing, the possession is gone. But this, just imagine that shoe must be costing few thousand rupees, but it has taken you away from the big loss. A very unpleasant taste in your mouth or bitterness in your mouth also talks about the same thing. A headache or an injury to head, a headache or an injury to head that you bang into something is also a sign. Biting or burning of your tongue, if you bite your tongue or there's a burning sensation on your tongue, also is a signal. Hearing a buzzing sound in your left ear I'm talking about. Okay, so if it is your left ear, then it is definitely, and with a very high pitch, it is again a message. Sometimes you feel that there's a steam is going out, something like, or there's some buzzing and you feel there's a mosquito or something, but you cannot find anything around. Or you're just feeling off, completely out of mood. Things are not aligning quite well. You are encountering lot of roadblocks. Every turn you move, there's a jam. There's something happening, people fighting. No, the entire scene looks very, the universe is saying, stop, don't go ahead. It's time to retrieve yourself. All these signs that I have indicated now is asking you to just slow down, ground yourself, center yourself, and take steps to realign yourself. Your thoughts is what you wanted. You have to raise your vibration. If you want that thought to manifest or happen, you have to raise your vibration. When you do encounter a warning sign, don't worry, but do stop what you are doing. You must have heard of your mom or some people, elderly people, saying that if you sneeze, they'll say, don't go for this work, wait for some time and then go. But if you have got cough and cold and you are continuously sneezing, that's not a message. But a sneeze out of the blue is a message. Sometimes they show in the television also, like, you're doing aarti and all of a sudden the diya, the lamp, it goes off. So people start fearing, oh, something is going to happen. That is just a sign. It's only a message from the universe that whatever you are doing right now, this is not right. Make some changes. Some changes. Do not have to abort the whole thing, but you have to just make some changes in it. Take a moment to become aware about what were you just thinking. When this happened, take a moment and try to recall what were you thinking or doing or considering while this message happened or was given. Whatever it was not in alignment with your authenticated path and what you most desire to create and experience. Where in your life are you following the goals and the dreams or other instead of progressing in your authentic path? So if whatever is your plan, the universe is telling you your plan needs some changes, some amendments, some rectification, and it will give you a sign. Sometimes this, if you don't take the message very clearly and you start not retaliating, but if you try to resist that message by, like, oh, nothing happens, like, then this will magnify, this will have more implications. For example, as I told you that you may bang into someone, like, your elbow, then maybe the next message would be that you will fall flat on the floor. If that message also is ignored by you, then you may meet with an accident. If that message also is not taken by you, maybe something else is there. But universe will try its best to stop you, but to a limit, or to a limit. It has a limitation also. And plus, are you follower? Do you follow and believe in it? The main thing is, do you have faith and trust in the universe? You have faith and trust in your angels? If you have, okay, then these angels and the universe, see, angels, universe through angels will work for you. But if you are a non-believer, if you don't believe in it, if you don't have the trust in that process itself, then nothing will work for you. And only those people who are blessed will get these messages as well. So your bad experiences, you should, I've seen so many people, I was the same, like, crying a lot about, especially with young generation, like, when they fall apart, there's a breakup or something. Universe will give you two signs, positive and negative both. Negative, it will tell you that what has gone is for your good. But still, if you insist of getting the person back, it is your free will. It is always your free will. But the universe will always do what it has to do. So guys, these were some signs, messages, beautifully and with good intention and with good thought. The universe always tries to come to your help, to rescue you. So when those energies are around you, they are all there to help you. I think you must take the help. You must understand the language. You must decode the language. You must take everything in a very positive stride. As I always told you, and I still maintain, you are the only person. You have come to the planet alone, and you will go leaving this planet alone. There would be people around you, there would be relatives, friends, colleagues, everything, but when you have to die, you have to die alone. Okay? So your pain is your pain. We can just sympathize with you, we can empathize with you, we can give you the shoulder to cry, but your pain is your pain. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take good care of yourself and listen to the universe. It's all there for you.